And welcome back. Track and field is where we begin. Veteran coach at the MVP Track Club, Stephen Francis, has revealed that two-time defending world's 200-meter champion Shericka Jackson may opt to compete in just one individual event at the World Athletics Championships in Tokyo in September. Ronaldo Brown reports.
On the eve of the National Senior and Junior Athletics Championships, MVP Track Club coach Stephen Francis is remaining calm about the form of reigning world 200-meter champion Shericka Jackson. After missing the Olympic Games in Paris last summer due to injury, Jackson has been making a steady return to form with a 22.53-second run over 200 meters at the Racers Grand Prix on June 7th. Francis says he has seen comments in the public questioning whether she will be a force this season.
I am quite bemused when I read or hear the comments being made about Shericka. And a lot of these comments are based on what people think is reasonable based on what they see her performances as. But I have learned that you can't make comments about athlete's performance, especially before a championships, until you bring a history book with you. And they will see that for the most part, Shericka's performances, especially in the 100, is in line what she has done in the past prior to the trials. She normally improves 0.2, 0.3 by the trials.
Defending champion Jackson, who has an automatic entry to the 200 meters at the World Championships, has been entered only for the 100 meters at the National Championships. However, Francis revealed that the two-time world champion may not contest both in Tokyo.
I think the decision is up in the air from what I am hearing the Paul say, that and her opinions. I mean, I assume that coming back from what happened to her at the Olympics last year, she's going to be kind of cautious, and she doesn't know if she's in that superb physical shape to be running all day for 8 days at the championships.
In the meantime, after a mishap in 2021 and injury in 2024, Francis was asked whether 30-year-old Jackson has missed her chance of becoming an Olympic champion.
I don't think that is a factor for the women who we have, because I think we have quite well managed to extend the careers of both men and women beyond where it would normally be advisable for them to stop. So as far as that is concerned, that's not a worry. 34 is pretty young, and I see no reason why, under the guidance of Paul and following what MVP normally does, that she won't be able to be as good as or even better than she has ever been at 34.
Live and exclusive coverage of the National Senior and Junior Athletics Championships will be aired on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network, and OneSpotMedia.com, with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM, starting with the afternoon session at 2.